Hey everyone, welcome to L Living. This 1-minute montage is about Oregon Dairy located in Lancaster County, Pennsylvania. This is my favorite family-friendly restaurant in the area, and I'm really excited to give you this 1-minute montage review. The first thing you need to know is that Oregon Dairy is not just a restaurant. On property, there is also a grocery store, a bakery, an ice cream shop, a gift shop, a playground, a yard of animals, as well as a farmstead. I think what's best about this place is how extremely family-friendly it is. The playground is super fun and unique, and the animals add an extra special experience to your visit. The restaurant has a really neat atmosphere, especially with their little toy train that runs along its track on the upper wall. They also have a lot of fun activities throughout the year, like hay rides, a corn maze, festivals, and more. They serve breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and the food is very delicious with a great selection of local fare. You can either order off the menu or get their buffets, and both have wonderful kid-friendly options. The prices are affordable, and the kids' buffet is a really great deal. Appropriately, we will end this review with dessert. They have scrumptious choices on their buffet or their menu, but they kind of specialize in really cool ice cream creations that will thrill both adult and kid alike. I hope this quick review was helpful. Oregon Dairy has been our go-to for family fun dining in Lancaster for years, and we really love it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy your next adventure.